All right, you guys. So as you can see, the office was not even really an office. It was like a junk room. We had just moved in at this time, and I literally was just like, overwhelmed with the amount of work that needed to be done for my office. And quite frankly, I had lost my job like right before then, so I just really didn't care. So you can see the transition starting right about now. Hey y'all, I am back. So I am almost done, like so close to being done with my office renovation. I bought some things from Target today, so I wanted to show y'all that real quick. Before I do, I wanted to show y'all the progress I've made on the office so far, and then hopefully once I implement the stuff I got from Target, everything will be done and then I won't have to do anything else. So let's get right into it. All right, you guys, so here's what I have done so far. I apologize if it's a little dark in here because the sun's going down when I finally decided to record this for y'all, but I did finally get that locker put together. I wouldn't say it was hard to put together, but I had a couple little minor mishaps, but I eventually figured it out. So I just added some pictures, and then this is where the issues kind of came in for me. Was like, as you can see, it's a little junky. So I bought some organization things from Target, hoping to kind of clear up some of that or clean it up a little bit. And then we have this issue down here. Again, just like a little clutter that I couldn't really find a home for. And then we have my desk, which, I cleaned it off, so I forgot to put that away. But nevertheless, I have my desk, but I still have like a little pocket of clutter again. So like things that I just need to clean up a bit more. So I'm going to show you guys what I got from Target to help me clean up some more, get a little more organized. All right. So let me back up. So I got 2 of these long baskets. They're just kind of like nested in each other. Hold on, y'all. If I make y'all dizzy, I apologize. I gotta sit down. Okay. So I got 2 of these baskets. I'm hoping that that'll help eliminate some clutter inside the lockers. I don't know if you guys have the Target app, but if you do, it actually tracks all of your purchases. So here's my purchases today. Some of these don't have anything to do with the office, but anyways. So it looks like, here we go. So these were $4 each. This is them. So I think they're a decent size for only $4. Okay, so I got 2 of these. Again, I just had them nested inside each other, but that's 2. They're a little bit wider. And if I check my app, those were $6 each. So I didn't think that was too bad either for $6 to try to, organize some of those cluttered areas that I told y'all about. And then I got one more bag. I got 2 of these, and these are really small. Again, gray as well. This is a slightly different gray than these. You probably can't really tell because the lighting isn't that ideal in here right now, but I'm filming anyway. So those 2 little ones, I'm looking $2 each. Yeah, so these are $2 each. So again, not expensive, and hopefully that'll help with some of the issues I've been having. I also bought this right here, you guys. It is a pink stapler. I thought it was so cute. Y'all, I did not need this. Y'all ever buy things just because they're cute or you think they're cute? If so, leave me a comment down below. Let me know something you bought recently that you just thought was cute and that you didn't necessarily need, because that's definitely what I did. And I have one more thing, which is like the crown jewel of organization for my organization today that I bought from Target, and I'm going to show y'all. Okay, so the box is like dirty as hell, but this is a cart that I got from Target. I actually did the pickup for it because I noticed when I was looking through the app that there was only one left. And so I was like, I'm not trying to run out there and break my neck to get this cart. So I did the pickup in store for it, so they would already have it ready for me. This one is gray, so I'm hoping that it goes with some of the other gray elements that I have, like my chair or whatever, but it was $37.73, and that was with tax. So I'm about to put all this stuff together, get to organizing, and then I will show you guys the final result. So I have already worked from home for approximately 1 week now. So as y'all can see, like, this is my current desk setup. And if y'all saw earlier in the video, I was kind of like trying to organize things, get things together. So this is kind of it. So I got some more like organizational type items because I think it could be a little cleaner looking than this. So I'm going to show you guys what I got from Amazon. Okay, so I got this foldable monitor stand. So I haven't quite decided if I'm putting my laptop on there or if I am putting my monitor on there. I don't know yet. We will see once I take it out the box, put it together or whatever. I also got some random items, like this is a little ceramic heater. It's a little cold these days, so I just wanted this for my feet because my feet are always cold. And then this has nothing to do with organization either. I got an adjustable footrest. It doesn't have a picture on the box, but I will show y'all and let y'all know how I like it. And then I got this, if it will focus. It's not focusing. Okay, well, y'all use y'all imagination, but this is a like a USB port extension, basically. That's what that is. Okay, I think it's finally cleared up a little bit for y'all. So yeah, the laptop that they gave me for work really doesn't have enough ports on it, so I got that. Hopefully that works, because y'all, it was like really cheap. And then I got this handy dandy notebook. I think this was like really cheap too, but I kind of still like to do things by hand. Like when I have to take notes for work, especially for a new job, I like to write stuff down, because what I've learned about myself is when I type stuff out, I tend to not remember it for some reason, but when I write it down, it's like somewhat like ingrained in my head. I don't know. Anywho, so I'll put all this together, get my desk in order, and then I will come back in and show you guys what I did. few things I showed you in the video earlier about stuff I got from Amazon. So this is the notebook I got. I just thought it was really cute, and it is like more traditional notebook. There's nothing really fancy going on, which was fine. I didn't need anything fancy, and I'll leave the link for this down below in the description box. And then this thing, hold on, I gotta back up. This white thing here was what I bought to prop up my work stuff. So this is the work keyboard and the work laptop. So I kind of wanted it out of my way for when I do my personal things with my personal computer here, so that way I could have more desk space. Also, it has this little thing here to hold your phone, so I thought that was kind of cool. And then it has this drawer. Again, y'all, my nail broke, so ignore that. It's this drawer. I guess if you had, like, I don't know, paper clips, cords, like really small cords, things like that to put in here, you can use it. Also, you guys, this is able to be smaller. I think I have it at the max right now, but this end and this end like flip under. So, you know, if you don't need it to take up this much space on your desk. Lastly, oh, okay, hold on. Okay, so then I have my footrest. The footrest actually was adjustable. It came with a pad that you put up underneath it. I'm 5'8", and so I really didn't need it to be any higher. So I took that off. This is good enough for me right here. I like it because it's soft, but it's not like to the point where it's going to sink. At least I don't think it will, because I think it's a mixture of memory foam and regular foam. Memory foam, as most people know, will sink after a while and permanently stay that way. This is my little heater, which I already love because as y'all could tell, I sit dead next to a window and it gets really cold in here, even though the heat can be on, but it still gets cold, and then my feet are always cold. And yeah, you guys, that's it. So I'm just going to wrap it up here and show you guys some more like detail shots. This is my vision board. Did you guys make a vision board this year? If so, tell me all about it. I love vision boards. Also, drinking my cold brew this morning. Irrelevant things I'm telling you at this point because I'm just running my mouth. But yeah, that's it, you guys. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content from me, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I will see y'all in the next one.